This is how you can share or send your location to someone on WhatsApp. Go ahead and open your WhatsApp. Just to save your time, guys, I've already opened the chat I'm about to share my location with. So just do the same thing, guys. Click on the plus icon showing below your chat screen. Now, here is it. When you click on that, you see location. Now you click on location. Now this depends on what you want to be doing. If you are sharing your live location to the person, you can go ahead and click share your live location. So when you click on share your live location, you can share your live location for up to 8 hours, 1 hour, or 15 minutes. If you don't want to be doing that, you just want to share your precise location to the person just to be safe, I would advise that, guys. Just click on send your current location showing below the share your live location. So you just click on that. You've already shared. So if you want to share your live location, it's going to be the same step. Just click on share your live location, select the time, and then you can go ahead and also add caption. See you in the next video. Thanks, guys.